How to log out Instagram on all devices. So after you open up your phone, go and open your Instagram app like this, as you can see now. So tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, go to this account center. After you open this account center, now scroll to down and tap on this password and security. After you open this password and security, scroll to down and tap on this where it says where you are login, this option where you are logged in. So after you tap on this section, as you can see now you can be able to check it on your Instagram or Facebook. So for me, I will just go with the Instagram. So tap on this Instagram. After you select the Instagram, so in this section, as you can see here, it says login on other devices. So as you can see now I have all these devices that I'm currently logged in on my Instagram. So tap on this arrow beside the device you want to remove. After you tap on this arrow, as you can see now, here is the name of the device. So tap on this logout. It will log you out on the device that you want to remove. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.